friends, welcome back to my channel Mini Teaching. Today I am going to teach you how to write letter N. First we will start with capital letter N. For writing capital letter N, you must write a standing line, standing line, then a standing line. This is capital letter N. So let's start again. You must write a standing line, a slanting line, and a standing line. This is capital letter N. Now I'll show it one more time. You must write a standing line, one slanting line, and one more standing line. This is capital letter N. Now we will learn how to write small n. You must set a standing line, then one downward curve. This is small n. First you must write a standing line, then a downward curve. This is small n. First you must write a standing line and a downward curve. This is small n. Now we will write two letters together. One standing line, one standing line, and one standing line. One standing line, one downward curve. Now I will show you some pictures that start with letter N. And for nose, can you touch your nose? This is our nose. And for nose, and for nest, that's where birds keep their eggs. And for net, sign of N is like this. The sound of N is N, 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 N. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and let's see you next video. So bye.